Getting a girl to like you is something you must do consciously. Women are emotional beings and will easily fall for any guy that can trigger their emotions. Teasing is one way you can trigger a girl's emotions to lean towards you without coming off as needy. Women do not like needy men. They lean towards guys who do not take them seriously and treat them like they are not that important. That is what teasing does. Teasing is an act that can make any girl feel relaxed and comfortable with you without even knowing much about you. When you tease a girl, you appear fun and easygoing to her. When you tease a girl, you make her feel you are fun to be with, playful, easygoing, and do not care about her physical features other guys see or talk about. It also communicates to her that you pay attention to details. Other guys will tell her how beautiful she is, how great her skin color is, and how beautiful her hair is. But you not appreciating anything on her body, and instead making subtle fun of how she walks or how she speaks, makes her more curious about you. Women love it when guys point out things other guys can't easily point out. This is where you trigger her emotions and make her feel free with you from that moment. Teasing a girl means making fun of her. This might be how she walks, talks, moves her hands, or facial expressions when saying certain things. You can compare her to certain movie characters or mimic the way she talks in a funny manner. Most girls will appreciate it and will give a smile. Some will suddenly play fight with you, asking you to stop in a friendly way. Ensure you do not do this in a rude or aggressive manner. The purpose of teasing her is to make it look amusing to her, not to make her irritated or angry. Teasing can also be done when she is expressing something serious to you, and you disrupt the process by mimicking how she is talking at that moment in a funny way. 90% of girls will smile at you and will be flattered. Another reason teasing works on girls is because it shows that you do not take her seriously or scared of her like other guys. It also shows that you have confidence and a great sense of humor. Women love men who don't take them too seriously, while they love men who are not emotionally available to them. So if you are able to tease her, she'll find you interesting and build emotions around the little time spent. Teasing a girl does not mean you should be jumping around her or become too playful. Teasing should be done occasionally when she is not expecting it. It should always come as a surprise and shock to her. She'll appreciate it more. But when your teasing becomes predictable, because you tease her every minute, you'll appear unserious to her, and it won't spike her emotions, because it now looks like your attitude. Teasing should be done when she doesn't expect it. Once you do it often, and she can predict the next time you'll be teasing her, there is no mystery anymore. So if you want that girl to be comfortable with you, teasing her and making fun of her will bring her guards down around you, which will in turn help you easily penetrate her to build a great friendship or relationship. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.